Almost everyone you know has an iPod or MP3 player, right? We carry them with us so we can listen to or share our music anytime we want. Now, thanks to this state-of-the-art digital photo album, you can do the same with your pictures. You can impress your friends and family at your next party with this fun way to view your pictures. With an incredibly slim profile, colorful, vibrant face, and an aluminum backplate, the album shines with style and sophistication. It is no bigger than a slim personal diary, weighing no more than an apple, and its screen is protected by a stylish leather case. As a clever innovation, the stand is also the protective cover. In this way, when you're on the go, your photos are with you and beautifully protected. A wide variety of other materials, colors, and styles are available to suit any decor or mood. An intuitive 3-button design lets you easily view and manage all your content. You scroll through your pictures using the top and bottom button, and use the center button to access the menu. No one wants to flip through albums the old-fashioned way. With this great album, you can view your images at a high resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, right in the palm of your hand. The 4 GB of internal memory can hold up to 40,000 photographs, so you'll never run out of space. Simply connect the album to your computer and drop the images from your computer to your album, the same way you drop images onto a flash drive. It's so easy. It's the perfect blend of portability, high quality, and style, making it the ideal gift for anyone. Click the Buy Now button to choose the style and color of your new digital album. Be the first in your circle of friends to own this state-of-the-art digital album. Supplies are limited, so act now and get yours today.